Kids in first world countries can think of just about anything to get out of going to school. But in countries like Laos, Nicaragua, and Ghana, kids would do anything just to have the opportunity to own a pencil, let alone have a place to learn and use it. What if there was a way to teach American kids to appreciate their education more, while giving third world kids a chance to have one? Pencils of Promise introduces Donate a Day of Learning. $1 million seems like a lot, but if we can get 1,000 schools to raise $1,000 each, we can easily reach the goal. To give students the opportunity to raise the money, schools will be able to choose a day that they can donate to third world countries. Students will still need to attend school as normal, but they can choose to do any sort of activity they want and turn them into fundraising events through stayclassy.org. They can play basketball, jump rope, or even have a water balloon fight if they want to. Students can also call out potential sponsors on Facebook and Twitter, directing people to stayclassy.org to donate to Pencils of Promise. To promote the Day of School trade-off, we'll create posters using special disappearing ink. The ink will be a mixture of trimethylene and sodium hydroxide. Then when exposed to the carbon dioxide all around us, will cause the ink to disappear from the posters over the span of a month. By reversing the process, we can also make the ink appear on the same posters to strengthen the message. Pencils of Promise are building a bigger and brighter future for everyone. If we can get kids to not learn for one day and get students to band together and raise $1,000 on behalf of their school, we can help kids learn every day.